During a recent visit to Austin, Texas, I visited the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center. Opened in 1995, the area is home to over 970 species of plants and flowers. After purchasing my ticket at the booth for $15, I was soon greeted by this lovely pond where this little guy was taking a break on a rock. Then I headed out to the hill country trails where the bluebonnets and Indian paintbrush were in bloom. It was late March when I visited, and the cactus were showing signs of new growth. Along the trails, there were places for the kids to climb and for the parents to sit. Despite the wind, I saw quite a few butterflies along the way. After winding around the hill country trails, I visited the theme and home inspiration gardens. Not a lot was blooming yet, but the butterflies were all over this parsley hawthorn tree. From there, I headed over to the Lucy and Ian family garden area. This area was a little more kid-friendly, as the trails were shorter and there was artwork and animal sculptures dotting the trails. The playground area had plenty of things to climb on, and having lunch by the waterfall would definitely be a hit. I finished up by walking along the Savannah Meadow Trail, and by climbing up to the top of the observation tower, which provides a lovely bird's eye view of the areas below. Overall, a great way to spend the afternoon. Be sure to visit if you're ever in Austin.